Hi everyone, today we're going to unbox and build, step by step, one of the most exciting LEGO Technic sets, the Heavy-Duty Bulldozer. First, we'll take a look at the unboxing, then jump into the build time-lapse and finally see this powerful and realistic bulldozer fully completed. If you're into engineering LEGO sets, construction vehicles, and building projects, make sure to stay with me until the end of the video. And here is the final result, the LEGO Technic Bulldozer, fully built. As you saw, the realistic design, detailed features, and enjoyable building experience make this set together with the dump truck and loader a great and exciting construction collection. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, leave your comment below, and for more LEGO builds and creative projects, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.